Spine stretch. So there's two different kinds of spine stretches that we're going to do. So we're going to do them in one video for you. The first one is more of a hinge. So as you can see, Paul's sitting up beautifully straight. Legs are hip width apart and the feet are flexed. And the arms are just out in front of you. So you're going to take a deep breath in. As you exhale, think of hinging from the bottom part of, oops, nearly fell on you, spine, and stretching up through there. So the neck is nice and long. So although you're not intentionally dropping the chin, it's just following the line of your spine as you go down. Once you're in this position, think of stretching up so that your head is going up over there. And then hold it there, take a breath in, and bring yourself back. So we're going to do one more, and then we'll show you Paul's version, or the other version. Paul prefers the other one. So exhale as you go forward. Really try and focus on keeping the shoulders relaxed. If you can just allow your shoulders to climb, Paul. Often people land up diving in between the shoulders, so you'll see they're all tense over here. If you can relax them again. There we go. And back again. Good. So give your legs a shake, and then we're going to do your version.
Joseph Pilates version.
Joseph Pilates version. So, from here, so your legs are wider. So if you have a mat at home, they're going to be in between the mat. So you're still getting a stretch. You're just lengthening the stretch in a different place compared to the other one. And then you roll yourself up. So as you come up, you think of stacking your vertebrae up one at a time. So as you exhale, chin to chest, belly button goes in, and just think of folding your spine down, one vertebra at a time. So you get the stretch from the crown of your head all the way down, right into the coccyx. And then as you come up again, nice and tall. Lovely job. I'm sure Joseph will be very proud. Thank you very much.